Michael, and this is my partner, Katrina. We live in Edmonton, Alberta, up here in Canada. And, I guess before we had purchased the BNB course from Brian Page, Katrina and I here were both working professionals. We both did, and the kind of the 9-to-5 routine. Mm-hmm. And we were just really looking for different ways to kind of create different sources of income to kind of supplement the income we were already making.
And we're both tenants or landlords already for everything we do, and we had just saw something to kind of add to our portfolio, something we have, and we thought, why don't even we do this with the properties that we actually own already? And this was something really exciting. When we saw it, we said, when we saw BNB formula, it just made sense to us. We just honestly hadn't even thought about it. We go to B&Bs all the time. We don't stay at hotels, and we're like, why aren't we doing this ourselves? And it's been great so far.
Yeah, no, I mean, I guess when we kind of first began the program, we, like everyone else, you're not really sure what to expect, but as we started kind of going through the course and going through the videos, it was very step-by-step, easy to understand, mm-hmm. very easy to implement, and compared to a lot of online trainings and stuff I've done in the past, this was by far the simplest and easiest one to follow compared to anything else I tried. I've done a number of affiliate marketing courses on online marketing, e-commerce, and we had some success, but it's always frustrating when you put months and months of work in, and all of a sudden an algorithm would change, and then all of a sudden you're out of business, and in one case we're stuck with a ton of inventory.
Yeah.
So I guess what we found with this opportunity, it was much more stable, much more scalable, and I mean, at the end of the day, it's still real estate, and people are gonna, come and stay at properties no matter kind of what's going on. And I guess that's what kind of attracted us back into, this side of the market. So.
Yeah, and I think what was really excited when we knew we had, I guess, succeeded, it was we're just wrapping up our first property right now, and it's we went in there kind of nervous, thinking not really sure how we were gonna approach this, and the course really does train you for it and get you prepared for it. And after, we went through, our talk with the property owner and let them know the benefits, and they were so excited, and it was such a good positive experience that we're really looking forward to starting up, and in a couple weeks here, right away, just getting the property open and getting it online right away.
Yeah, I guess kind of before we started to where we're at now, like we said, this is our first property, but, we have goals to, have, a nice portfolio of these to, become financially free here in the next, a couple of years. And we definitely feel that's extremely possible, given what we've learned in the course, and, what's just how big this opportunity really is. Mm-hmm. And it doesn't really matter where you live. You can do this anywhere around the world. So.
Yeah, and I think if we can just see how it's going to change our lives from here, like to get our reach of being financially free, like even closer with all our supplemental income, and exactly what we want to do, which is we love to travel. We want to, get a vacation home. Like this is just our goals that can reach that much sooner because of this course, and we can just see it.
So, if you're considering the course and you're just kind of sitting on the fence, I would highly, highly recommend signing up for Brian Page's BNB formula. You will not be disappointed, and I can guarantee, whatever goals and aspirations you have, this will absolutely help you get there.
And you'll make your money back right away.
Yeah.
Like, we're already seeing that even within the first month, or not even a couple weeks, you can get your money back from the course, so it's completely worth it.
Absolutely. So, yeah. Michael and Katrina from Canada here signing off.
Good luck.
Enjoy the course, and all the best.